Welcome everyone. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of creating a bank information on accounting list. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create bank information. You can do this under the Settings Setup menu by selecting Bank from the drop-down menu on the accounting list. Here you'll see a list of banks. This feature is used to record the basic information for user collections and withdrawal banks, as well as the corresponding geocode information for each bank. Creating a bank entry is essential for connecting to the corresponding chart of accounts. The basic bank information will be displayed for handling withdrawals and payments. Let's create a new bank account using this button here. Follow these steps to create a bank account. Enter the bank name. Input the routing number. Provide the account number. Select the GL account type and the corresponding GL account. Fill out the next check number. You can add a company and specify its availability for cash receipts or vendor payments. You can also fill in additional details and edit the bank information using the available functions. And that's how you create bank information and manage its details. Thank you for watching the video. Be sure to check out our other tutorial videos for more helpful tips and information. See you next time.